appreciate you coming out and joining us. We just wanted to take this opportunity to be able to present the mock-up to you all. I'm sure you've seen it as you've been driving in and out of the lot, coming to some of the meetings and seeing the progress of it. We do have it in its finished state now.
I think from staff perspective, from the design team perspective, everybody feels like we're right where you want them to be on it.
You can see the Smoky Mountains off in the distance. And this is the inspiration we took when we were doing our color selection for the project.